Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to ask someone to do something in French? Welcome to 3-Step French Practice by FrenchPod101.com. In this lesson, you will practice conjugating verbs in the imperative mood. Let's look at the main dialogue. Two people are having a conversation. C'est fait. Donne. Lave ces pommes de terre. Ne les mets pas dans le fait-tout. Wash these potatoes. Don't put them in the pot. Ne les mets pas. Mais. In ne les mets pas, mais is the imperative form of mettre, meaning to put. The imperative is used to give commands, instructions, or advice. In French, it's formed using specific verb forms, but without the subject pronoun. You'll use the tu form for informal commands directed at one person. The nous form to make suggestions that includes yourself, such as when saying let's. And the vous form for giving formal or plural commands. For example, from the verb laver, which means to wash, you get lave for wash, lavons for let's wash, and laver for wash when speaking formally or to more than one person. With the irregular verb mettre, meaning to put, the imperative forms are mets, mettons, and mettez. In French, it's formed using specific verb forms, but without the subject pronoun. You'll use the tu form for informal commands directed at one person. The nous form to make suggestions that include yourself, such as when saying let's. And the vous form for giving formal or plural command. For example, from the verb laver, which means to wash, you get lave for wash, lavons for let's wash, and laver for wash when speaking formally or to more than one person. With the irregular verb mettre, meaning to put, the imperative forms are mets, mettons, and mettez. In negative commands, ne and pas wrap around the verb and any object pronouns, as in ne mets pas, which means don't put. In this lesson, we'll practice using both regular and irregular imperative forms in positive and negative commands. Let's practice using these imperative verbs during this lesson. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? La fenêtre, s'il te plaît. La fenêtre, s'il te plaît. Ferme. Ferme. Ferme la fenêtre, s'il te plaît. Ferme la fenêtre, s'il te plaît. Close the window, please. We use ferme here because it's the imperative form of fermer, a regular et verb, used to give a command to one person, tu. In the tu form, imperative of regular et verbs, we drop the final S for smoother pronunciation. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Attention en classe. Attention en classe. Fait. Fait. Fais attention en classe. Fais attention en classe. Pay attention in class. We use fait here because it's the tu form imperative of the irregular verb faire, which means to do or to make. This is a common way to express be careful or pay attention. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Vos devoirs maintenant. Vos devoirs maintenant. Faites. Faites. Faites vos devoirs maintenant. Faites vos devoirs maintenant. Do your homework now. We use faites here because it's the vous form imperative of the verb faire. It's used for plural or formal commands. Unscrabble the words to make a sentence. Ready? Ne mange ne mange pas ne mange pas si ne mange pas si vite. Don't eat so fast. Ne mange pas si vite. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Rangez or rangez vos affaires. Rangez or rangez vos affaires. Rangez. Rangez. Rangez vos affaires. Put your things away. We use ranger here because it's an imperative form of ranger for vous, used to give a command to multiple people or family to one person. Ranger is from the imperfect tense and describe ongoing past actions, so it cannot be used as a command. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Va or allons au parc. Va or allons au parc. Allons. Allons. Allons au parc. Let's go to the park. We use allons here because it's the imperative form for nous, used to suggest an action that includes the speaker and the listeners. Va is the tu form and wouldn't include the speaker, so it doesn't fit. Let's translate some sentences into French. Translate "Call me Corentin" into French. Appelle. Call, followed by moi. The object pronoun for me. Next, Corentin. The name being used in direct address. Appelle-moi is the imperative structure used when giving a command to one person, tu. The pronoun moi comes after the verb in positive commands. Appelle-moi Corentin. Appelle-moi Corentin. Call me Corentin. Translate "Let's start the homework" into French. Commençons. Let's start. The nous form of the verb commencer, followed by les. The plural definite article, meaning de. Next, devoir. Homework. Commençons is used here to suggest an activity that includes both the speaker and the listener. It follows the imperative pattern for nous command, used to say let's do something. Les devoirs refers to homework and is plural, so we use les. Commençons les devoirs. Commençons les devoirs. Let's start the homework. Translate "teach me to cook" into French. Apprends. Teach, followed by moi. The object pronoun for me. Next, à. Tout, followed by cuisiner. Cook. Apprends-moi. Apprends-moi à cuisiner is an imperative sentence with apprends in the tu form. The object pronoun, moi, follows the verb in a positive command. And à cuisiner expresses the goal or action being done. Apprends-moi à cuisiner. Apprends-moi à cuisiner. Teach me to cook. Listen to me as I speak. Which verb in the imperative mood do you hear? Fais attention en classe. Let's listen one more time. Fais attention en classe. Did you hear fais? Fais, the imperative form of the irregular verb faire, is used here to give a command to one person, tu. It's used without the subject pronoun and directly followed by the rest of the instruction. How about Ne mange pas si vite. Let's listen one more time. Ne mange pas si vite. Did you hear? Ne mange pas? This is a negative command, using the imperative form of manger. In French, negative commands use ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So, ne mange pas means don't eat. Next, allons au parc. One more time. Allons au parc. Did you hear? Allons? Allons is the imperative nous form of the irregular verb aller, used to suggest an action you'll do together, like let's go. And apprends-moi à cuisiner. One more time. Apprends-moi à cuisiner. Did you hear? Apprends? This is an affirmative command using the tu form imperative of apprendre, followed by an object pronoun. In positive commands, object pronoun come after the verb and are joined with a hyphen. So, apprends-moi means teach me. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to ask someone to do something in French. And now you can move on to the next lesson in the pathway. Au revoir!